Alright, it's a bit of a revenge mission. I was just out in the area I'm going to right now. 6 hours ago. Got shot down. Very sad. Requested a rescue chopper successfully and then punched out. And so, fast forward about 6 hours. And we're going back out. We fragged this mission myself with one other flight. Running on a SEAD to try and, I don't know, any anti-air threats, hopefully the SEAD flight will take care of. But we're going to go back out to the same area and try to get revenge. Kind of looking forward to it. Alright, let's get serious. What are we? We're Banshee 3. Let's see if voice attack wants to work. Tower Banshee 3, 2 ship F-16s. Request taxi.
Banshee 3, 2 ship F-16, request taxi. Good morning, Banshee 3, number 2, Kilo, George, runway 13.
Taxi Papa Alpha Kilo, hold short runway 13, Banshee 3. 2 ready? Papa Alpha Kilo, is that what he said? And runway 13. Okay, so we gotta go behind us. Papa Alpha Kilo. Here's Papa. Take a right on Alpha. And then a left on Kilo. Oh, it's nice to be daytime again. I'm so sick of the night missions. Alright, we should be clear of any ground crew so we can turn on our radar altitude without frying their balls. There's attacks at 5 and 6. Got pre-planned steer points set up. About 16 or 17 of them. But these are all mobile units, so whether they're there or not when we get there, we don't know. So I think I'll probably switch to ground radar and just look for movers. I drew a box showing where enemies are, so in theory, anything in that box should be hostile. So I'm not too worried about friendlies here, but I don't know. That's the worst. I know it's a game. So I can't imagine in real life you'd probably at real risk of killing yourself if you killed friendlies. But even in this game, I don't know. I've done it and it sucks. So made some effort here not to target friendlies. I feel pretty confident it'll be all right. In fact, I don't know if we're too far away to see. Yeah, we can't see the map just yet. Yeah, I can't see the box yet, but let's center that back up. Alpha Kilo. There's Kilo. Runway 13. I trust 2 is behind us. Yep, sure is. Push tower, Banshee 3. 2 push tower. Tower Banshee 3, 2 ship F-16s holding short runway 13. Ready for departure.
Banshee 3, 2 ship F-16, ready for departure. Banshee 3, wind 040,
Clear for takeoff, Banshee 3. 1's taking active right. Set the steer point 2 here. We're going to be going straight. We're pointing in the right direction already. I love that. That makes things much easier. One is set. 2. Okay, lights are right. A little bit fat with our 2 CB105 or 4 CB105s. One wheel's up. Two push tower. Tower airborne. Tower airborne. And that call never works, does it? Resume on Banshee 3. 2, push tactical, button 6. Alright, we'll wait for 2 to catch up, and then we will pick up some speed and gain some altitude. Set up the jet. We should set up the jet now. We don't have a lot of time. It's really close. Alright, let's get the bombs aligning. TGP for ground. Good. I'll be on for missile mode. We'll go. That seems fine. Some speed. You with us? Yeah, you're with us. Visual. Let's cheat. Get the autopilot going here. What are we doing here? Oh, heading select. I'm an idiot. Alright, what do you got? 5 and 6. How far away? It's not far. Yeah, 89 miles, 87 miles. Okay. Full mill. Sorry, too. That was a dick move on my part. Apologize. Alright, how did we screw up our HSD? Where do we want it? We want HSD. We don't need a weapon page. TGP instead. Zoom out. Yeah, you can see this box right here. Trapezoid. In theory, everything in that is an enemy. Alright, let's switch to our custom waypoints. Let's paddle switch. Oh, actually, we got another flight. We gotta make time. We gotta do the times right. Shit. Let's push 3, 4. Shit. I don't want to beat the SEAD flight out there. Alright. Let's check times. Okay, ETA, we are going to be early, and we don't want to be early. So, I think we're going to have to spin Oh, there's the Sead flight. Believe that's them. It's dead ahead. 30 miles. Maybe we were going to be okay. Alright, I don't think we'll spin. I'll just come off the gas. I got shot down in the dark at Angels 17 a few hours ago in this area. Hopefully we'll find the prick that did it. Yeah, we might have to spin. Got no speed. About as slow as we can go. Sorry about that. That's disorienting. Man, low and slow right now, aren't we? Holy shit. 2, get ready. 2, get ready. 2, get set. That's the one. I think we keep him close just for a little longer. I never know what formation to put him in. I'll probably just go spread and get him a mile out to my left. If he were a human, I'd put him spread already. Why make him... Well, maybe I wouldn't. It's daytime. It's good formation practice. Let's switch to attitude hold on the autopilot and just... I don't think we're going to see anything out there. Alright, steer point's 99. The 90s are the targets I want to hit, and then the 80s are a backup. And yeah, between clouds and distance, it's too far away. Can we see anything on radar yet? Maybe. That's promising. That's very promising. That looks like a nice juicy line of armor. Good deal. Good deal. What else is down there? That's... I don't know if that's a little town or if that's a base. I don't remember. Well, now I don't see what I was seeing before. I don't know, maybe they're moving. They're too far out for a good moving scan. A little bit. A little bit. Let's hold off at Angels 20. Take your altitude, Angels 22. Yeah, it's tough to say. It does look like they're moving, which is unfortunate. Ooh, wait, those friendlies. This is where we want to be. Oh, now I'm all nervous. Package marshaled. Copy. Okay, now we really do have to slow down. No, we can't. We're going too slow already. Well, shit. What to do? What to do? Oh, wait. Wait. No, this is... Yeah, this looks okay. Yeah, no, we're money. Okay, thank God. I think I was targeting friendlies for a second there. Whatever waypoint 4 or 5. Yeah, alright, well, I'm glad I checked. Okay, these are bad guys. These are definitely bad guys. Okay, how do I get 2 to target? Lock him up and then have him take this western. Have him take the western end and I'll hit the eastern. I think that's what we're gonna do. How many miles out are we? Oh, I should fence in too, damn. Master arm, laser to combat. Yeah, Master and laser arm, and bombs are definitely ready, so we're ready to go. To attack my target. Alright, hopefully we will be efficient here. Still 40 miles out. Can you get any visual on that? That doesn't look like... Oh yeah, we can. There's something out there. Ooh, that looks scary. You might want to climb up to space here. What's an SA-15 reach up to? Can it touch you at 22? Let's get the light the can here. Alright, 2's out. Doing as commanded. That's great. Let's get... I guess, I don't know. I feel a little better at Angels 22. We'll go to 23. And call that good. I don't know what SA that is, but it is SA. It's got sticks with pointy ends and flamey ends. We gotta drop one on these guys. God dang it. Wonder if that Sead flight's gonna... 23,000. Suddenly feels too low. It's a clear day. Let's go up even more. I'll feel better once these are dead. If they get dead before I get dead. Man, what talk about great weather. Yeah, what a difference. It's been so cloudy and dark. This is just a bottle this day. It's beautiful. Alright, very nervous about you. I'm gonna fly right over them too. How great would it be if that SEAD flight, when they Banshee 7. If Banshee 7 sees, can see, and does target these, would be just... It'd be great to see these explode in my scope right now. Where is Banshee 7? Still ingressing. I gotta slow down. I wonder if I should... it's tempting. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna... Alright. Well, we should... We should hook off right. And see if these guys will clear this threat. But I'm going to do the right thing and keep going directly towards it. Attaboy 2. Get him. One's in. Hot. Maybe they're just Shokas. No, I don't know what the hell they are. Alright, holding down Pickle. Laser's arming. Is firing. It's just because that's what it does. Let's see if we can't just do this one too. Alright, now we'll be... One's off east. Waiting for BD-8. Alright, let's wait for some fireworks, hopefully. Just level off here. Alright, we got a hit or two. We got a few. Alright. Let's get these guys next. Alright, I think we are safe to just overfly. Alright, let's just come around and... Where is that? Off to my right. Almost directly behind. Oh, what are you doing, Jet? Oh, I didn't have paddle switch down. No, I did. What is going on? What's wrong with my jet? Why is it pulling so hard to the left? Oh, it's just ripping off to the left. What is going on? Did I get hit? Not sure what the hell is going on here. That's what happens when I let go of the stick. Got speed. It's like I'm severely unbalanced, but I don't think I am. Did they both drop off of the right side? No, they didn't. Alright, well, I think I gotta punch tanks. We hurt? Doesn't look hurt. One bomb on each side. No autopilot. What happened? This will be extremely unpleasant to land like this. What are you doing, Jet? Alright, really fighting this. Can the autopilot hold it? Hell no, it can't. gosh. I don't know what veil. They got no warnings. I'm popping the tanks. Punching everything. There's master caution. Stores config, but yeah. Pulling left. I wonder if it's... My rudder stuck? No. No, that's full right rudder, and it's not canceling it out. It's like if it was a twin... If this was an F-18 and the right engine was in full burner and the left engine was off, that's what... No, I don't know. No, it feels like there's a freaking elephant hanging off my left wing. Alright, should we get cheaty and see what it looks like? Is there deflection? It's hard to do this with my mouse in my left hand, holding a stick in my right. Yeah, it's weird. Alright, that's letting go of the stick. Shit, fuck. Cursed. Alright, I suppose real life I'd tell two I'm having problems, and... One's got a flight control issue. I can't solve it. I can barely hold it level. I'm a lot of right stick to maintain level flight. I'm heading back to base. I'm going to declare an emergency and try to land. Okay, let's see. Can I pull any G's without leaving controlled flight, or whatever this, as controlled as this flight currently is? Alright, practice pulling G's. Okay, we're getting flight control system. There's something wrong with the flight control system. Oh, she leveled out? No, she didn't. Oh, she didn't. Oh, she's so pissed off. Yeah, I wish I could just hold it flat so I could reset flight controls. Oh. Alright. Alright, don't panic, boys. Alright. Are we gonna... And I don't want to lose 2 jets in 24 hours. I don't think I'm going to be able to land this. Got full power and everything? Yeah, we do. Yeah, she just won't stay flat. Gears up. Let's fence out. Gosh, anti-collision. It's also would be like if autopilot was fighting me. Feels a little like that. Yeah, she'll turn all the way over. Yeah, I'm not sure what to make of this. speed do anything? No. How much gas do we got? 6,500, that's a lot of gas. We gotta burn some of this off. Yeah, let's burn gas. Oh, she's turning around the other way now. Oh, it's just a wild jet. I don't think I can land it. Man, I really got to get rid of this gas. Let's see if I can jettison fuel. Stay up there, girl. Alright. Where's fuel jettison? I've never done it in this. Fuel. Oh, there we go. Turned over, sure did. Oh my gosh, it's so squirrely. And we're getting a little too low to be messing with this now. I'm gonna watch this video back and be painfully. Should feed, tank inerting. What are we doing here? Maybe you can't jettison fuel in the F-16. Could have swore I saw it. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, I give up. Oh, yeah, of course. Can't wait to see the TAC view. I wonder if I got hit. Trying to burn up gas. It's working. I don't like going this fast This busted ass jet. Let's get in touch with the tower. Shit. What do we do? It'd be number 7. Push 7. Tower. 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 Shoot. Well, we're gonna land. Try and land on 3.
Copy emergency. You are clear to land at runway 13. Alert stop. Ground control, we will be emergency.
I think we're gonna be screwed here. There's no way. No way this jet's coming down. Alright, gear down. Way too high. It's not gonna be 1-3. Jesus. Stop, jet. Come on, brakes. Come on, brakes. Come on, brakes. She steers? She does steer. Tower exiting active right.